Okay, you guys, November is officially over, and I have so many products that I've been obsessed with that I just wanted to share with you guys. These are products that I've been reaching for over and over again, so you know that I truly love them and enjoy them. So grab your cafecito and let's jump right into my November beauty, skincare, hair care, everything care favorites. Let's get right into it. Let's start with skincare because my skin has been doing so good the past month. So let me share with you what I've been using to like help bring that elasticity, that moisture, the bounciness, the everything back into my skin. Oh my gosh, I think it's raining again. It's so cold here in Houston, you guys. Like, we had such a shift from like hot, humid to like super cold, hence why I'm wearing a sweater because it is freezing outside. But anyways, so these two products are just like standout products that I've been really enjoying, and they're both drugstore. Let me know if you want to see like a quick little video of like drugstore skincare products that are actually like worth it and that they work, because I have a few. Number one is the L'Oreal Revitalift Tripeptides Age Define Serum. If you've been looking for an ingredient to help boost the collagen, I highly recommend this one. It has peptides in it, so it's really going to help produce collagen in your skin. It's obviously an anti or age define serum, so this is definitely going to be targeted for, I don't know, 25 and older. I personally really like it, and I'm in my mid 30s. If you know, you know. So love this. And then I go in with my L'Oreal Revitalift Moisturizer, which is this one right here. So obviously these two, I pair them together. So again, it's just the same thing. It goes along with the serum. It has peptides. This is going to add moisture back to your skin. If you're looking for anti-aging benefits, this is a really good cream. It's nice and rich and it's thick, and it just adds the perfect amount of like creaminess and moisture back into the skin. I love these two, and they're pretty affordable because they're drugstore. So yeah, been obsessed with them. Now that skincare is covered, let's get into the fun stuff, which is makeup. Okay, for everyday foundations, or if I just want something quick and easy, I don't want to do too much, I've spoken about this and I will never shut up, the Kylie Cosmetics Skin Tint Blurring Elixir. I live by this. This is the one that I'm wearing on my skin right now, and I mean, you would think that this was a full coverage foundation, honey, but it's not. Okay, it's so good. Again, it gives you that really nice blurred look to your skin without doing too much. Perfect for every day if you work a 9 to 5 and you just want to look put together, but you don't want to wear a heavy foundation, especially with the winter. I feel like I want my skin to breathe. This is it. But if you want something a little more with coverage, if you just want to be a little bougie, then go for the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Glow Flawless Foundation. This one is also really good. I also have an extra one that I use on my clients, and I think maybe, I want to say 6 out of 10 people ask me, ooh, I gotta sneeze, one sec. Ooh, excuse me. I would say 6 out of 10 people will ask me, what foundation did you use on me? What is this shade? And where can I buy it? And it's this one. It just looks so good. It sits very well on the skin. It's extremely lightweight. I want to say this is one of the most lightweight foundations that I own, but it still gives you like medium to buildable full coverage. It is such a gorgeous foundation. And if you are more dry skin, you're gonna love this. If you haven't tried it already, it just looks really good. I don't know what to say. She's just that girl. She's that girl. And then a product that I feel like I am super late with. Technically, I tried this a while ago and I wasn't the biggest fan, but I rediscovered it and I am head over heels, and it is the concealer I'm wearing today by Haus Labs. It is so good. I am in the shade light medium peach. I think I meant to grab a different shade, but this one is really nice because it has a little bit of those peachy undertones. It's also going to color correct at the same time. And then the brush, they just pair so nicely. I love this brush. I'm I'm sure I have something similar, but I bought it because you just have to get them together. And then for my highlight, this one was a TikTok find that I saw and I was like, okay, let me go get it. From Stilla, which is such an OG brand. I literally own nothing from this brand. This is the Heavens Hue highlighter in the shade Kitten. Oh my gosh. So this is the highlight that I'm wearing. It is that almost like wet look. It's not too glittery. It is perfection. It has a really nice bouncy gel like texture, and you can definitely build it up, but I've been really into more of that like glowy your skin but better, like your skin is healthy and radiant. That's what this highlighter is going to give you. But if you want it more intense, you can definitely build it up. I just kind of have it all over my skin and it looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I've been on a growing out my hair journey, and oh my gosh, so I recently discovered a shampoo that is not new, but look at how like shiny. I don't know if you guys can see it, but my hair is so shiny right now. And mind you, this is maybe third, fourth day hair. I don't know, but it is, I mean, you can see the shine. It is glossy. And that's because I've been using the L'Oreal Glossing Shampoo, Glossing Conditioner, and the Glossing 5-Minute Lamination Mask. So if you suffer from dry, frizzy hair, I love this product. Not everybody's hair is going to respond to it. My hair personally loved it. So you go in with a shampoo, and then obviously you rinse, you do your conditioner, you rinse, and then I get out of the shower and I do the treatment and I leave it in my hair for 5 minutes, and then I wash it out in the sink or wherever, and my hair, oh my gosh, I don't think I've seen it this shiny in a long time. If you're wanting that super glossy mirror-like look to your hair without, I think this it's like it is made without sulfates, parabens, phthalates. It's dye-free and gluten-free. It just makes my hair look so smooth, so glossy. Not only look glossy and shiny, but it feels so glossy and shiny. And all of this is from the drugstore. This is not a sponsored ad, by the way. But L'Oreal, if you're watching this and you want to sponsor me, call me. No, but I get PR from them, so I get to try all of these, which I am forever thankful for. Obsessed. If you've been thinking about it, try it. Run to your store, buy it. The last two products that I quickly wanted to, oh, actually I forgot. The last product that I wanted to mention for hair, this is new from, well, I don't know if it's new, but it's new to me, from Garnier, the Sleek and Stay Heat Activated Serum. Oh my gosh. Because I do have naturally curly hair, I'm always on the hunt for anti-frizz anything. This right here, not only does it smell delicious, if you love that Garnier smell, right here, it's a little oil, and I'm gonna put a little bit because I already put some on my hair, but you put this on damp hair and it's heat activated, so it's going to protect your hair. It smells amazing and it adds so much shine. Let's see if you guys can tell, but it adds so much shine to your hair without making it heavy or weighing it down. And then as it dries down, look at that. Oh my gosh, as it dries down, it just looks so pretty again, and it doesn't make your hair look oily, which is my favorite part. Can you guys see that? Makes your hair super shiny. So both of these products have just been a game changer for my hair, and I cannot stop looking at my hair at how glossy, beautiful, healthy, and delicious it looks and smells. Last but not least are two products that have really stood out to me. I've been redoing or revamping my MUA kit. So I've been taking out things and adding things. One of the things as a makeup artist that you always need is some sort of brush cleaner. And if you even just wear makeup, you know that brushes are a pain in the butt to clean. I hate it. Cinema Secrets has one of the best brush cleaners ever that I've been using for years, but Salon Perfect said, hold my money because we're gonna dupe it. This one is under $9, maybe $6, and it is the exact same thing as Cinema Secrets. Take it from somebody that has had Cinema Secrets for years. That thing is expensive, and as a makeup artist, you go through them really, really quickly. This is a lifesaver. You need this to clean your brushes in between clients, before and after, and this will save you so much money, you guys. It is, I cannot emphasize that it's the exact same thing for not even a fraction of the price. It is just crazy and expensive. And also, this is nothing new, but this is a new size from L'Oreal. I know it seems like I'm sponsored by L'Oreal, but I swear I'm not. They just have amazing products. The 3-second setting mist now comes in a bigger size. This is a jumbo size. Let me show you a comparison. So this is the original and this is the new jumbo size. I actually ordered 2 from the TikTok shop to add to my makeup kit, and these are they're gonna stay with me, okay? Because this is one of the best setting sprays. If you love the one size but you don't want to pay the price for that, totally understandable. This is exactly the same thing, if not better. And it doesn't transfer, it doesn't move. I love this stuff, highly recommended. And if you can get it in stores for the bigger size, get it. If not, I will have it linked down in the description box, because you can get these on Amazon. And then the last thing that I wanted to share with you guys are some brushes that I recently picked up again to add to my makeup kit. And I cannot believe the quality of these brushes for the price. So I believe you get 34 pieces for about $38, or 32 pieces for $38. Mind you, this is a price for Black Friday. I will link it in case it has changed. But oh my gosh, if you look at these brushes, like, tell me in the comment section what you think this reminds me of. But I immediately thought about Sephora. Sephora has very similar brushes, the brush handle, the brush, brush hairs itself. You get so many of them. Oh, I cannot believe what I was getting. You get face brushes, you get eye brushes, you get powdered brushes. This one is perfect for like skincare, for applying the skincare. You get so many. Look at this one. It is the perfect buffing brush for either contour and bronzer, blush, or for foundation. This one is the perfect either under eye press powder brush, or for blush, for highlight. It's amazing. The quality of these are so good. I cannot wait to try them. So that is everything, you guys. These are the products that I was loving in the month of November. Oh my gosh, I cannot put these down, and I had to share them with you. So let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite products were. I will link everything for you guys in case you're interested in anything. And yeah, I hope to be back consistently this week. So let me know what you guys want to see. I love you so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.